Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and in today's video I have 50 lipstick dupes for you guys. Yes, you heard it right and I can't believe it myself, but my table here is lined up with so many lipsticks. It looks so nice and professional as well. I have some affordable dupes for high-end lipsticks and then I have similar color dupes. Maybe both are from affordable range, but some of it you can't find in India easily, like say Colourpop dupe. So I have a dupe for that as well, and then two high-end dupes itself because they are of similar color categories, and I try to match it as accurate as I can to the color so that it looks perfect. But there is a variation in formula and hence sometimes the color might look a little off, but they're very close. So let's not wait any further, let's get started with the video. First shade I'm going to be talking about is MAC Russian Red. So for these lip swatches I'm going to be swatching on one side with the high-end side and one side is going to be the affordable side, so that you guys can see a up-close comparison of both the shades. I don't want to insert two different clips, then you can't really make out the difference. So if it's on the lips and it's swatched side by side, you can see it. So now MAC Russian Red. On this side I'm going to be swatching MAC Russian Red, and on this side the dupe, which is Rimmel Kate Moss lipstick in the shade 111. I feel like these are two very similar shades. So this one is a very orange toned red shade, and then on this side I'm going to be swatching the affordable one. But as you guys can see, this is how it looks, and up close I will give you a hand swatch as well. So this is how it looks. Can you guys tell a difference? I feel like it's so alike. So the next one is also from MAC. On one side I'm going to be using the MAC Retro Matte lipstick in the shade Flat Out Fabulous, and on the dupe side I have a lipstick from L'Oreal. This is the Colorish lipstick in the shade Glamour Fuchsia. These two are so alike. You guys are gonna be surprised at how alike these look. Next lipstick that we have is from MAC again. This is their matte lipstick in the shade Diva, and the dupe I have for this is from Maybelline. This is a creamy matte lipstick in the shade Divine Wine. It's a beautiful like deep red shade. It has a lot of like plum undertones to it, but you guys can see Divine Wine is slightly lighter than Diva. So next one is the matte lipstick in the shade Sin, and the dupe I have for that is the Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution lipstick, and this one is in the shade Dynamite Berry. But you guys can see it's like very similar. Again, Sin can be a smidge bit darker. The next one I'm going to be swatching is the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Burning Love, and the dupe for this is from the Faces Jewel Cut lipstick, and this is in the shade Splendid Iris. Very similar shades. I love the formula of this one as well. So the next one is the MAC Retro Matte lipstick in the shade All Fired Up, and the dupe for that is the Faces Primer Plus Matte lip crayon in the shade Dash of Pink. I feel like both of this is very similar. It's sort of like a bright shade. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but if you like bright pinks, you would definitely love this shade. So next one we're going to be swatching is the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Bows, and the dupe for that is the Nykaa Powder Puff cushion lipstick in the shade Blessed. So this is how both of this looks side by side. It's just that the Smashbox one is a little more matte and a little more pigmented. So the next one I'm going to be swatching is also a very popular shade from Smashbox. This is their Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. It's like a very muted plummy nude shade, and the dupe for this is the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Cabernet Show. Very close, and I was so happy that I had most of these dupes with me. Like I can't even make out a difference between the two. So next one I'm going to be swatching is from Anastasia. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Vamp. This is one of my favorite shades. It's like one swipe pigmentation. The dupe that I have for it is from Nikake. This is their True Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Cocoa Bean. Can you guys tell me like what is the actual difference between the two? They look so alike. So the next one I'm going to be swatching is a cult favorite product. This is the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Trophy Wife. It's like a very nice mauvey pink shade, and the dupe I have that is from the Nykaa liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Boho. So I got the mini variant of this because I can save a lot of money. It's just for 199 rupees. So you can see the price difference here. The Huda Beauty one is slightly more mauve, but I feel like it's kind of quite similar. So next one I'm going to be talking about is again a very popular shade from Huda Beauty. This is their Powder Bullet lipstick in the shade Third Date, and the dupe for that is the Swiss Beauty lipstick in the shade Mauve Taupe. Like in the swatches they look very different. Like the Huda Beauty one pulls a lot more mauve. I love this shade. It's very unique and very hard to do. This is how they look side by side. Now you guys can see as soon as I've like let the shades settle down, they look so similar. So the next lipstick I'm going to be swatching is the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Carnivorous. It's a deep red shade with a lot of brown undertones to it. The dupe for this is the Calabar lipstick in the shade Exposed. It's just that I feel like the Calabar one has slightly more purple undertones to it. It looks like the lipstick is a little bit patchy, but it's not the lipstick actually. It's my lips. They're flaky, they're dry. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Somi. It's a nude shade with a lot of grey undertones to it. The dupe for this is the Maybelline Gigi Hadid lipstick in the shade Erin. This is a very popular shade by MAC. Of course, the MAC one is a liquid lipstick, so it pulls a lot darker. This one is a lipstick. It's a slightly more creamy and slightly less grey undertone than MAC. So next one is also from the same color category. This is their Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Topped with Brandy. And the dupe for this is the Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse lipstick in the shade Coffee Light. So I already have the swatches of Somi on my hands. Somi and Topped with Brandy look quite similar. So if you don't really like the MAC formula and you find it to be a little too drying for you, you can try out the Lakme one. Also, the Lakme lipstick takes a while to dry down. It's not as pigmented. You have to layer it on to get the pigmentation you would want. Now the next one I'm going to be swatching is the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Famous, and the dupe for that is the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Excellent. You can find this on hokemakeup.com, and this one is like literally like half the price of Huda Beauty. The Wet n Wild one is slightly more pigmented than the Huda Beauty one itself, and I like the formula of both of them. Like if you don't want to splurge on the Huda Beauty one, stick with the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. You'll be amazed with the formula of it. Now moving on to some Pat McGrath lipsticks. Now this is the Pat McGrath lipstick in the shade Flesh 3. Look at the packaging, you guys. It's so amazing, so plush. And the dupe for that I have is from Faces Canada. This is the lipstick in the shade Forsake Beauty. A beautiful brownie nude shade for me. Quite similar as well, as you guys can see. Faces lipstick, it does have a slight sheen to it, but you can blot it off with a tissue paper and you'll be good to go. So next one I'm going to be swatching is also from Pat McGrath. This is the lipstick in the shade Full Blooded, and the dupe for that I have is Berry Bossy from Maybelline. Okay, the Maybelline one looks a little bit light, but once you build it up on the lips, they look pretty much the same. Pat McGrath ones are a little bit more pigmented and it has a slight deeper undertone to it. The next Pat McGrath lipstick I'm going to be talking about is in the shade Elsin, and the dupe for this is the K Beauty lip crayon in the shade After Party. I really love this shade of red. Just look at that. The next one we're going to be swatching is the MAC lipstick in the shade Relentlessly Red. It's a very, very unique shade, very difficult to dupe. And the closest dupe I could find for this lipstick is Nykaa Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick in the shade Born to Blossom. I just have to let this dry down and it's going to take forever, so I'm just showing it to you guys like this. Now the next shade to be swatching is MAC Rebel. The dupe for this is Sugar Lip Crayon in the shade Baby Houseman, and also another very, very close dupe for this happens to be from Rimmel. This is in the number 30. On one side I'm going to be swatching Rebel completely. On the left side, on the upper half, I'm going to be swatching the Rimmel lipstick in number 30, and on the lower half I'm going to be swatching the Sugar lipstick in Baby Houseman. This is to show how similar some lipsticks are in your collection and you don't have to hoard similar lipsticks again. The next one I'm going to be swatching is the MAC Retro Matte lipstick in the shade Feel So Grand, and the dupe for that is the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce. I've included this in another video as well, like in a dupe video in the past. So this is how Feel So Grand looks like. It's a very nice blue based red shade, universal red shade, very bright, very flat. This is what Wet n Wild Missy and Fierce looks like. Very, very similar. You can't even like spot the difference between these two shades. So the next shade I'm going to be swatching is the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Patina, and the dupe for that is the Nicka K True Matte lipstick in the shade Turkish Rose. Both of these are sort of like a drying formula. Patina has more of mauve undertones to it, and Turkish Rose is a little more pink, but on the lips I feel like they are almost identical. So the next dupe is Too Faced Bend and Snap, and the dupe for that is Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Berry Recognize. Let's first swatch up Too Faced Bend and Snap and then Wet n Wild Berry Recognize. As you guys can see on the lip, this is how it looks. Now Bend and Snap is slightly more pink and Berry Recognize is of course slightly more berry, but the difference is very, very minor. So the next dupe we're going to be swatching is from Stila. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Aria, and the dupe for that is a combination of these two. This is the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Nice to Fuchsia, and this is Faces lipstick in the shade Raging Mauve. It's a purple shade, so a pink plus a little bit of a purple gives this shade perfectly. Or if you don't want to mix these two shades, you can just use Raging Mauve, and this is how it looks against Stella Aria. This is like a straight up purple shade, but this has a little bit of plum purple undertone. So you can stick to whichever one you like. This is just a bonus lip swatch. So the next one I'm going to be swatching is the MAC lipstick in the shade Girl About Town, and the dupe for that is Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the number 07. Next I'll be swatching Risa Eldridge Rouge Velvet lipstick in the shade Velvet Ribbon. Just look at the texture of this, you guys. It's just so beautiful. Now the dupe I have for this one is from Faces, which is again my favorite brand, and this is in the shade Russian Maroon. They look very similar. They feel the same on the lips. I love the formula of these luxe lipsticks from Faces as well, and I do love the formula of this. If you can, try it out. So next lipstick we're going to be swatching is the Lisa Eldridge lipstick in the shade Skyscraper Rose. Has a lot of blue undertones to it. Love the formula of this one. The only dupe that I could find was from Faces, again in the shade Dash of Pink. I duped this for All Fired Up as well. They are quite similar. As you guys can see, Skyscraper Rose is slightly more darker than Dash of Pink. So the next lipstick I'm going to be swatching is everybody's favorite. It's MAC Ruby Woo. It's very nice blue toned red shade, and the dupe for it is Nykaa Ultra Matte in the shade Madeline. Madeline is slightly more pink than Ruby Woo, but on the lips they do look quite similar. Or if you have Sugar Scarlet O'Hara, it's pretty much the same from all the reviews that I've watched. Next one I'm going to be swatching is from Smashbox. This is in the shade Big Spender, and the dupe for this is from Nykaa. This is in the shade Begum. So this is what Big Spender looks like. It's a very mauvey pink nude shade for me, and this is what Nykaa Begum looks like. And it's just that Nykaa Begum has a lot of shimmer to it. I think it's only mine. Nobody else has this problem. Like once it dries down, you can see that the shade Begum is getting a little bit darker, and it's getting to be like a close match. Begum is slightly more pink, and Big Spender is slightly more mauve. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is Smashbox Disorderly. Love this color. It's so beautiful on the lips. And the dupe for that is L'Oreal liquid lipstick in the shade iPlay. Now once it's all settled, you guys can see they look identical on the lips. Next one is Smashbox Misconduct, and the dupe for that is Maybelline Burgundy Blush. Now swatching Misconduct. Now swatching the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Burgundy Blush. So this is how both the shades look on my lip. Now the next one is the Smashbox lipstick in the shade Throwback Jam. Love how this shade look on the lips, and these dry down pretty fast, like it's not very watery. The dupe for that is Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Wine and Shine. So this is how it looks. I really love the formula of the Smashbox one. The sugar can be very drying, but I love the shade selection in sugar liquid lipsticks. Now that I've showed you guys a side-by-side thing, tell me which one would you choose? It's almost very alike. Now dupes for sugar liquid lipstick on its own. Throwback Jam is a little too pricey for you. I have a dupe for that as well. So for the sugar liquid lipstick, I found a dupe in Calabar Festive Fling lipstick in the shade Bombshell, and a Miss Claire lip liner in the number 45. I feel like if you want Wine and Shine in a lipstick form, you should try this one from Calabar. If you want it in a lip liner form, you can try Miss Claire. Next up, we have two affordable dupes. So I'm going to be duping the Colourpop liquid lipstick in the shade Love Bug to the Folk Allure liquid lipstick in the shade Deep Chestnut. I let this lipstick be on my lips for about, I would say, like a good 10 minutes, and this is how Folk Allure Deep Chestnut looks on my lips right now, and this is Love Bug. So the next lipstick I'm going to be swatching is the Kat Von D Outlaw liquid lipstick, and the dupe that I have for this is the Flower Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Scarlet Letter. But a lot of people rave about the formula of this one. As you guys can see, they're on the lips. You can't even make out the difference between the two. So next one I'm going to be swatching is also from Kat Von D. So this is in the shade Vampira, and I feel like the dupe for that is from Colourpop. This is in the shade Lost. As you guys can see, both the shades are very similar, but the formula is different. This is a satin liquid lipstick, and this is a matte liquid lipstick. Okay, the next shade I'm going to be swatching is from NARS. This is their matte lip crayon in the shade Cruella, and the dupe for that is Faces Midnight Rose. I have mentioned this in another video as well, but like I mentioned before, this is a concise video and I want everything to be included in this. So this is how both of this look side by side. The next one I'm going to be swatching is one of my favorite deep red shades, and this is from Balm Cosmetics, and this is the Meet Matte Hues in the shade Adoring, and the dupe for that is from Maybelline. This is in the shade Voyager. This is their matte ink liquid lipstick. Balm one, hands down, has to be one of the best formulas of liquid lipstick I've ever tried. It's super long lasting, very pigmented, very comfortable as well. Maybelline one takes a lot longer to dry and you can't layer this one on, so you have to be very careful how you apply this or it gets really patchy. So not a very big fan of the formula, but they have really good shade options. So the next one I'm going to be swatching is Smashbox Out Loud liquid lipstick, and the dupe for that is from L'Oreal. This is in the shade I Amaze. Very easy to apply these Smashbox liquid lipsticks. I rarely make a mistake. They're kind of thick and the applicator is very nice. Then swatching I Amaze. Okay, this one is straight up a little bit runny, and the L'Oreal one looks a little more like orange, like a little lighter, and the Smashbox one has slight brown tones to it, but you can't really make out the difference that much. So the next one I'm going to be swatching is from MAC. This is their matte lipstick in the shade Candy Yum Yum. It's a very bright neon shade, and the dupe for that is from Makeup Revolution, and this is in the shade Candy Rock. It's a little less pigmented than MAC, of course. Then the next lipstick I'm going to be swatching is from MAC again. This is in the shade Twig, and the dupe for that is from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Touch of Spice. Both of these again so similar. Love the formula on both. I love the satin finish from MAC and the Maybelline one. Okay, the next one we're going to be swatching is from Anastasia. This is one of their very popular shades. This is in the shade Ashton, and the dupe I have for that is from L'Oreal. This is in I Explore. Now swatching the L'Oreal one on the upper side of the lip, and also Madras Kapi from Nykaa. Swatching Madras Kapi on the lower side, which is quite similar. These two are not an absolute 100% match to Ashton, but they are pretty close. So next one I'm going to be swatching is the Balm Meet Matte Hues in the shade Charming, and the dupe for that is L'Oreal liquid lipstick in the shade I Rule. So as you guys can see, the Balm liquid lipstick is slightly deeper, has a slight more brown undertone to it, whereas the L'Oreal one is a little like pale pink shade. So next up we're going to be duping Colourpop Tool to Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Divine Pralin. So this is what it looks like on the lips. Of course, Tool has a little more brown plum tones to it. This is slightly more purple, but I don't think you can make out a very big difference out of the two. So the next one I'm going to be swatching is not a very popular product. This is the BH Cosmetics liquid linen lipstick in the shade Maria, but it's one of my favorite red shades, and the dupe I have for that is from LA Colors. This is their matte liquid lip color in the shade Perception. Now this is what it looks like on the lips. They're not identical. Of course, the BH Cosmetics one is a little bit deeper and has a lot of like brown tones to it, but I really love this shade on my lips. Then the next lipstick we're going to be swatching is from MAC, and this is in the shade Cross Wires. This is a cream sheen lipstick, and the dupe we have for that is from Maybelline. This is their matte ink lip crayon. In the hand swatch, they look completely different. Like the Maybelline one pulls a lot more brown on the hand, but on the lips you guys can see it's very close. Next one I'm going to be swatching is from Bobbi Brown. This is their lip color in the shade number 6, and the dupe for that is from Wet n Wild. This is their Mega Last lip color in the shade Smokin' Hot Pink. Yeah, this is how both the lipsticks look like. I feel like the Wet n Wild one pulls a little more blue toned, and it's slightly more pigmented and more matte looking than Bobbi Brown. Next one, Marc Jacobs. This is in the shade Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. I love this shade. The dupe for that is from Revlon. This is their Colourburst Matte Balm in the shade Sultry. I love the formula of both of this, amazing, but this one in full size is really pricey, so the Revlon Colourburst Matte Balm is literally like half the price. Next up is a very popular lipstick from Colourpop. This is in the shade Bumble, and the dupe for that is from Milani. This is in the shade Loved. I feel like Bumble does pull slightly more peachy and orange. I think it's just like a point 2% difference. Next one I'm going to be swatching is from MAC, and this is the amplified lipstick in the shade Chatterbox, and the dupe for that is from Essence. This is the Essence Lip Liner in the shade Cute Pink. Very sheer formula. I really don't like both these shades on myself. Next up, I'm going to be duping a very popular shade from Kat Von D in the shade Bow and Arrow, and the dupe for that is, it might not be a 100% match, I'm telling you straight up, is from Colourpop. This is in the shade Beeper. This is a very difficult shade to dupe for me. It's a very pale nude shade, but with a little bit of grey undertones to it. The last one we're going to be swatching, and we're done with this. So these are two high-end lipsticks I have, and they complement each other in terms of shade very well. So this is the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade True Grit, and this one is the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Chocolate Wasted. So if you have one of these, you don't have to go out and buy the other one. They're pretty similar shades, very dark brown shades. Can you guys tell me the difference between the two? I hope you guys are not tired watching all that, because I'm certainly tired watching all of these lipstick. This is a lot of hard work. I took literally 2 days to film this because I had to get the close-up shots, the lip shots, talking about it and everything. So I would be really happy if you guys went ahead and liked this video and also subscribed to my channel right away and just showed me how much you appreciate my effort. I just didn't swatch it on my hands and do all that. I swatched it on my lips. I don't really like dupes video with hand swatches because they don't convey anything, and sometimes the shade looks so alike on the hands, it looks different on the lips. I hope you guys know what are the similar colors so that you don't go out and buy repetitive colors, or if you wanted some affordable options, you have it right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Let me know if you guys want to watch a full face of dupes, and also let me know what are the other lipstick dupes that I probably missed out. I would really be interested in seeing that. And so yeah, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.